Stay warm and cozy through the coldest months with efficient, long-lasting heating solutions. The best wood stove brands are known for exceptional craftsmanship, reliable performance, and eco-friendly designs that provide consistent heat while adding rustic charm to any home setting. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Ashley Hearth AW2020 Wood Stove. The Ashley Hearth AW2020 wood stove is a powerful and stylish heating solution that combines performance, durability, and design. Producing an impressive 89,000 BTUs, it can effectively heat spaces up to 2,000 square feet, making it ideal for medium to large homes or cabins. The fire brick-lined interior ensures long-lasting life and optimal combustion efficiency, helping to maintain consistent warmth while minimizing wood consumption. With its ability to accommodate logs up to 21 inches long, you can enjoy longer burn times without the need for constant refueling. A large ash pan with a brushed nickel handle makes cleanup quick and simple, reducing maintenance hassle. The brushed nickel spring door handle and pedestal base not only enhance the stove's elegance, but also add a touch of sophistication to any room decor. While the blower is sold separately, it's an excellent addition for those who want to maximize heat circulation throughout the home. This wood stove is built with both function and form in mind, providing a reliable heat source that also serves as an attractive centerpiece. Whether you're looking to supplement your existing heating system or go fully wood-powered, the Ashley Hearth AW2020 delivers dependable warmth, excellent efficiency, and classic design. It's a perfect choice for anyone seeking a combination of rustic charm and modern heating performance. Number 2. Cleveland Iron Wood Stove. The Cleveland Iron Wood Stove offers a compact yet highly efficient heating option for smaller spaces, blending traditional craftsmanship with modern reliability. Designed to heat areas up to 900 square feet, it's a great fit for cabins, workshops, or small homes where cozy warmth is desired without excessive fuel usage. Constructed from heavy-duty cast iron, this stove promises long-term durability and consistent heat retention. Its sturdy build not only ensures reliable performance, but also adds a timeless aesthetic that complements rustic interiors beautifully. The stove can accommodate logs up to 18 inches in length, providing decent burn times for its size. It also includes a two-piece safety handle that remains cool to the touch while the stove is operating, enhancing safety during use. EPA listing and approval confirm that this stove meets environmental standards for clean burning, making it a responsible choice for eco-conscious users. Assembly is quick and straightforward, allowing you to start heating your space in no time. Additionally, the 1-year warranty provides peace of mind, ensuring the stove is protected against manufacturing defects. Overall, the Cleveland Ironwood Stove delivers solid performance, durability, and classic charm. An excellent option for those who want dependable heat in a compact, well-crafted package. Number 3. CAMPJOURNEY Wood Stove. The CAMPJOURNEY Wood Stove stands out as a versatile and innovative heating and cooking solution designed for outdoor enthusiasts and campers alike. Built from premium heavy-duty stainless steel, this wood stove is engineered for durability and stability even in extreme conditions. Its multifunctional design seamlessly combines an oven, stove, and picnic table, making it perfect for outdoor cooking, camping, and heating. The triple-sided quartz glass allows users to monitor the fire easily while withstanding temperatures up to 1,200 degrees Celsius, ensuring both safety and performance. The stove's foldable legs and picnic table make setup and storage incredibly convenient, while all accessories, including the 6-section chimney, fit neatly inside the stove body for easy transport. This unit supports the IGT system, allowing you to switch between wood and pellet fuel depending on your needs. The spacious 908 cubic inch firebox can hold 17-inch logs, offering long burn durations and efficient heating. Adjustable air intakes provide precise control over the flame, ensuring efficient combustion and reduced smoke. With its efficient heating capability, portability, and cooking flexibility, the CAMPJOURNEY wood stove is ideal for anyone seeking a dependable and multifunctional outdoor stove that enhances the camping experience while providing warmth and convenience wherever adventure takes you. Number 4. Huron Medium Wood Stove. The Huron Medium Wood Stove is an excellent heating solution for homeowners seeking a balance of efficiency, power, and eco-friendly. Designed to heat up to 2,500 square feet, it's capable of warming large living spaces with ease while maintaining energy efficiency. This model is fire brick lined, ensuring extended durability and optimal combustion performance. The ability to hold logs up to 18 inches in length allows for longer burn times, reducing the need for frequent reloading. Its efficient design ensures that you get the most out of every piece of wood, making it both economical and environmentally responsible. One of the standout features of this stove is that its purchase qualifies for a 30% biomass stove tax credit, which is a significant incentive for anyone looking to invest in renewable heating. The Huron combines practical performance with an elegant design that fits seamlessly into both traditional and modern home interiors. Whether used as a primary heating source or a supplementary one, it delivers steady warmth and reliability. Its simple yet solid construction minimizes maintenance, allowing users to focus more on comfort and less on upkeep. For those seeking a durable, powerful, and cost-effective way to heat their homes, the Huron Medium Wood Stove is a dependable and eco-friendly choice. Number 5. VEVOR Wood Stove. The VEVOR wood stove is designed to provide efficient heating and versatile outdoor cooking, making it a top pick for campers, adventurers, and survivalists. With its large 30,000 cubic inch firebox, it delivers quick and consistent heat, minimizing the need for frequent refueling. The built-in damper and ventilation holes offer precise control over airflow, helping regulate both fire intensity and smoke output. A convenient ashtray ensures easy cleanup after use, making maintenance simple and efficient. For outdoor cooking enthusiasts, the stove's detachable 7-inch by 20-inch shelves provide generous workspace for preparing meals, while a heat-conducting plate ensures fast, even cooking. The additional side mesh racks are perfect for storing utensils, cookware, or drying clothes. Safety is a key feature of this design, with a 550-degree powder coating to eliminate odors, a spark arrestor to prevent embers from escaping, and a bottom fire grate to reduce overheating risks. Constructed from 3mm reinforced alloy steel, this stove is built to endure high temperatures and harsh outdoor conditions without warping or corroding. Whether used for heating a tent, cooking outdoors, or as an emergency heat source, the VEVOR wood stove combines durability, efficiency, and thoughtful design, offering reliable warmth and cooking convenience wherever your adventures take you. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.